guys, today I'm doing a unboxing on a Progress Sway bar that I ordered from Fast Hemis, and it cost me around $150 shipped with their coupon that they have. It's one of the most cheapest sway bars I found, and it's a good brand. I know a lot of people use them in other car models, not Challengers really. Haven't found a video of people installing this sway bar, so I will be making one. And just today unboxing of this, see how it looks. So we got the bushings right here. And this is the sway bar right here. And I believe that's everything. Hold on. So this is a sway bar. It's a dark gray. It's pretty heavy. Man, this is a heavy ass sway bar. I think this is a solid sway bar. It has 3 different settings, softest to firmest. I'll probably set it up on the middle, so we'll see how that handles. I'll probably try all 3 and see how it handles. And not sure if I said it, but this is gonna be the rear sway bar. Haven't bought the front one yet. Welds look pretty good. I'm not an expert on welds, but I see no cracking on it, so I know there's more than that to it, but it looks pretty good, I guess. And it's a good brand, so I trust it. And yeah, we'll be making a how-to on this, how to install it. Shipping took about 6-7 days from fasthemis.com. I used their coupon, and total was about $150. It wasn't too bad. One of the cheapest sway bars there is out there. Can't say I recommend it for everybody because I haven't tried it out yet. And the size of this one is a 22mm rear sway bar. Can't remember the front what size it is, but I will make a different video for that one when I order that one. But yeah, that's it. This is what it comes with. It comes with 2 bushings, comes with some grease, and it comes with 2 stickers. Oh, and some instructions right here. Thanks for watching the video, and just keep watching because I will make a how-to on this, how to install it. Thank you guys.